So let's set it in here and see if it floats. Okay, it doesn't seem to want to stay upright. I'll just let it tip over. There it is. It's floating. Look at that. The iron anvil floats because mercury has a density nearly twice that of iron. In fact, due to the density ratios, the iron actually floats better than wood does in water.
Push it under.
Let's push it down. Oh, it's hard to push down. Oh, that's great. Here, let's try it again from the other side. Okay, here we go. Push down. It bobs up like a cork. Okay, let's I want to try hitting it with a hammer. I think it dulls the sound quite a bit. Here, let's pull it up out of here. Just set it on that. Okay. Barely make it wobble by hitting it. Let's just set that there. Put my hammer in. Hammer floats too. That's pretty great.